Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the date or time on your watch, you can do it through the settings, and to do it, wake up the screen, then press the Chrome button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and then tap on it, and in settings look for the option called the system. And once you find it, select it of course. And here look for the option called date and time, tap on it. And by default the automatic date and time and automatic time zone will be enabled, and basically what it does, it synchronizes the time from the internet or your phone, and it does it automatically. But you can disable the options and then you can set the date and time manually to whatever you like. And now we can scroll down, and as you can see we have set date, set time and set time zone. Set date allows you to change the date, and you can change the days, months and the year as well. And then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. Then we have the set time. Again, you can change the hour and minutes. You can tap on the check mark, and then you can also change the time zone as well. And once you're done, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face, and now your settings should be applied on the watch face as well. But I recommend to keep the automatic date and time enabled, unless you really have a need to set your own date and time specifically. Let's re-enable the automatic ones like this. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.